Hello everybody, my name is Pierre.
My name is Yu.
And welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel. Today, I let my husband try Japanese snack. Are you nervous?
I ate some Japanese snacks before in Japan, but I haven't tried a lot of things, so I'm a little nervous.
Snacks? Yes?
Yes.
What's
that?
のり塩。
これ何ですか？
これはカルビののり塩です。Seaweed and salt potato chips.
Look good.
ドラゴンボール。ドラゴンボールのカードガムです。カルピコ。大福。Red bean cake. But it's a mochi, like rice cake, but red beans inside. But you can try. Melon pan.
Lemon bread. Lemon bread.
Chocolate cream pan. That's it,
like custard.
Yeah, like chocolate cream inside. Yeah. Curry, chestnuts. Chestnuts. I think you like it. Yeah, I knew you like it.
Yeah, I like it.
And 羊羹、小栗の羊羹。羊羹はね、あれかな。なんだっけ。これなんて説明したらいいっけ。羊羹はね、like the red beans jelly.
Oh,
like,
okay.
I don't know. It's really sweet, very sweet. First challenge. 羊羹です。
羊羹。
羊羹。How's your feeling?
I ain't too bad.
This is very sweet.
It is sweet. That's why I took a small bite. It is really sweet. But it's pretty good though. I like it. I give that a thumbs up. Next, I like that.
大福。
You about to just smash the whole thing.
Yes.
This is
I'm sorry.
This gone.
But so 大福はね、red bean paste inside of mochi.
Red beans and mochi. Let's do it.
Yeah. How is it? You like it?
Oh, this is good.
I know. This is good.
It's a little too chewy for me though. But I think that's the mochi. But the red beans in it is. Yeah. I can try this.
栗、甘栗。
Walnut. Chestnut.
はい、どうぞ。
Damn, it's chocolate.
Smell good! No try!
Oh, it look good.
美味しいよ。マジ美味しい。じゃあね、次。This is gum. So, I'll let him try last because gum.
Yeah, lemon bread. I'm expecting this to be good. I think I had a chocolate one or something. I don't remember eating lemon bread. I remember having the curry bread. 美味しいよね。Lemon bread. Smell good. はい。 It smells really good. My dog looking at me like, you want to bite it out my hands.
お子ちゃんダメよ。
That's good. It's like lemon cake.
美味しかったです。チョコレートクリームパン。ロールパンみたいな感じよね、これ。日本ではよくあります。渦巻きになってるね。そう。で、中にチョコレート inside and the donut. I mean, not the donut, but you know.
Yeah.
Hey, just a regular Japanese bread.
I think I had this before.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Let me see. It's really good.
美味しい。 カルピコ。カルピコ、try.
Take a little sip. Oh wow, that is good.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's real good.
マジうまい。これ美味しい。
What is it? It's banging.
カルピコ。カルピコ。That make me like,
So smooth.
me like,
So smooth.
So smooth.
のり塩チップス。Sweet and salt potato chips.
Oh, those look good.
So, potato chips. はい。これはもう美味しいよね。
Authentic. Alright, made me want to go to Japan. So bad. What it do, YouTube? My name is Pierre.
No, it's okay. Just try.
Oh,
Potato
it
chips. That's fucking good because Japanese copies means a piece, the pieces, so that's why they changed to the color. Yeah? So your eyes gonna be fucked up. This good.
Next, I like that.
大福 I couldn't take this shit because I love this.
You about to just smash the whole thing.
Yes.
We.
Hell yeah.
You finished smashing? You chin is back, y'all.
My mouth is dry as fuck.
Mine too. And it's making it taste better.
美味しいね。
Oishi. That's good. Chocolate cream.